How to turn on photo tagging setting on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually turn on the photo tagging setting on Twitter. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store in a search box, typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Twitter app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now previously, let's assume that you actually disabled the photo tagging settings so that no one else can tag you. You can enable that option again. For that, just tap on the profile icon on the very top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon over here, you'll see all these sorts of options. Just expand the menu, which is called settings and support, at the bottom. Once you go to settings and support, you'll find this option that says settings and privacy. So select settings and privacy. As and when you do that, you'll find all these various options. Go to the first option that says privacy and safety. Once you go to privacy and safety, at the very top you have audience and tagging. So just go ahead and then select audience and tagging. Once you do that, you'll find another option at the bottom that says photo tagging, and you can see it is disabled because it is set to off. If you want to turn it on back again, you can simply select it. You can see we have two more options. One is that anybody else on Twitter can actually tag you on their photos, or only people you follow can tag you. So this is simply how it works. It has to be either one of these, but if you want to permanently enable it fully so that anybody can tag you, you can select anybody as well. But this is it. This is how you can turn on the photo tagging setting on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.